On the night of the 1st of July, 2002, two aircraft were flying towards the same point in the sky above Lake Constance. The airspace was over southern Germany, but it was worked from a control center in Switzerland. One was a chartered Tupolev, flying from Moscow to Barcelona. It carried 60 passengers and 9 crew. The other was a cargo aircraft running north from Bergamo to Brussels with 2 pilots aboard. This is that DHL Boeing 757, photographed a week before the accident. In the control center, one man was working the sector alone, at 2 workstations, with the phone system down for maintenance. That center was Skyguide's air traffic control operation outside Zurich. The cargo aircraft had been cleared to 32,000 feet, and asked for 36,000 to save fuel. Neither crew could see the other. Both were level, converging, at almost the same height. A satellite image later showed where DHL Flight 611 and Bashkirian Flight 2937 came together, near Owingen. They collided at 34,890 feet. Had the climb been approved, one would have passed above the other. About a minute before, the Tupolev's collision avoidance computer told the crew to climb. Seconds later, the controller told them to descend. They followed the controller. The cargo aircraft's computer told it to descend, and it did. 8 seconds before impact, the Boeing was coming down at about 2,400 feet a minute. They met at almost a right angle. The Boeing's tail struck the Tupolev's fuselage. The Boeing lost most of its vertical stabilizer and went into a flat spin. It carried on for a further 7 kilometers before it came down. It fell near Owingen-Taisersdorf, where a stone now marks the place. Nobody on either aircraft survived. The investigation ran for years, and it did not end in a courtroom alone. 69 people had been on board the Tupolev. Japan published its own findings 11 days after the accident, urging the international body to settle the question. The rule is now unambiguous: when the computer and the controller disagree, the computer wins. Skyguide raised a memorial at Dubendorf. Above Überlingen there is another, a broken string of pearls scattered across a hillside. 2 crews did exactly what they were trained to do, and the 2 things they were told to do could not both be right. When a machine and a person disagree, who should a crew be told to believe?